first fundamental of chemistry and atomic concept. Agricultural chemistry is a science concerned with way to influence chemical and biochemical process in soil and plant, with plant mineral nutrients meant to improve fertility and increase yield. Chemical agriculture also learns ways to increase yield, such as herbicide and stimulant for growth. Chemical useful to agriculture as a whole, as it helps minimize wastage and maximum production value in an efficient way. Fertilizers are used to improve the quality of soil we grow our food in, for instance, photosynthesis. The process of photosynthesis subscribes to the very simple yet important chemical reaction of carbon dioxide reacting with water to produce glucose and oxygen.
Next, I will explain about soil acidity in fertilizer agriculture. So, when soil becomes too acidic, it can decrease the availability of essential nutrients, for increase the impact of toxic elements, decrease plant production, and water use affect essential soil biological function. Soil pH can be measured either in water or in calcium chloride. At a low pH, many elements become less available to plants, while others such as iron, aluminium, and manganese become toxic to plants. Aluminium, iron, and phosphorus also combine to form insoluble compounds. At the high pH, calcium ties up phosphorus, making it unavailable to plants, and molybdenum become toxic in some soils. Boron may also be toxic in some soils. Higher pHW value to around 10 may be associated with alkaline mineral soils containing sodium carbonate and bicarbonate. Below pH 4.8, aluminium can become toxic to plant depending on soil type. Aluminium becomes soluble in toxic quantity in strongly acid.
Okay, now chemical bonding is fertilizer agriculture is the process of forming compound that contains the essential element for plant growth, such as nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, and others. Fertilizers are usually applied to the soil to enhance its fertility and provide nutrients that are not available naturally or have been depleted by a previous crop.
Okay, now I'm gonna explain more about the chemical bonding. So I know a lot of you guys don't want to read all of this thing, so I'm gonna make it simpler. So in my theory, organic fertilizer come from plants or animal, like compost or manure. Inorganic ones are made from minerals like rock phosphate. Synthetic fertilizer are made through chemical process and work faster. Nutrients in fertilizer stick together differently, and some dissolve easily for plant to use, while others need more process to bear fruit. That's all.
I've been astonished as to what has happened here on my farm. My grass is still growing. We're shoving near the end of the full farming year now, and I have to say my grass is still growing, and I can't believe it. It's better it's getting. I'm absolutely delighted. As I say, I've got through a whole farming year without buying one bag of fertilizer, and that is hand on heart, that is the truth. It's so concentrated, it's amazing that a 1 kilo bag will actually spread over 10 acres. It definitely does what it says in the tin.